ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः कर्मसन्न्यासयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच सन्न्यासं कर्मणां कृष्ण पुनर्योगं न संससि यच्छ्रेययेतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम्। Fifth chapter, first sloka. This chapter is called Karma Sannyasa Yoga. The second chapter, first chapter Arjuna Visada Yoga, second chapter Sankhya Yoga, third chapter Karma Yoga, fourth chapter Karma Jnana Sannyasa Yogam, and this fifth chapter Karma Sannyasa Yogam. So Arjuna, so far from the second chapter 11th sloka onwards, Bhagavan Krishna continuously teaching Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga, all those things. In between he asked some couple of questions, and so yesterday's what we saw 42nd sloka of 4th chapter, he concluded the 4th chapter, and the 5th chapter Arjuna starts this chapter with one question. So Krishna, so far you told Karma Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga, and more or less you priced Sannyasa Yoga, or at least Karma Sannyasa Yoga. But the way you tell, it looks like Sannyasa Yoga is the best than Karma Yoga. And Sannyasa Yoga is the direct method of Karma Yoga, direct method to attain knowledge. So please you tell me either Karma Yoga or Sannyasa Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga or Sannyasa Yoga. You say, so far you taught me it looks like the Sannyasa Yoga is the best. Karma Yoga is the indirect method and Sannyasa Yoga is the direct method. So why should I go for the indirect method? Let me go for the direct method, which is the less time consuming. So please tell me, please advise me, which one is most suitable to attain the self-knowledge, to assimilate self-knowledge. That's all this particular sloka. Arjuna asked a question to Bhagavan Krishna. Out of these two, Karma Yoga, Karma Sannyasa Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Sannyasa Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga, you taught me so different subjects, but I feel Sannyasa Yoga is the best, and you taught me that too. And you told me that is the direct method of, that is a direct way of attaining, assimilating self-knowledge. Please, without any confusion, teach me which is the best for me, my dear Krishna. That's all Bhagavan Krishna was asked by Arjuna. So Arjuna asked a simple question. Karma Yoga, Karma Sannyasa Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Sannyasa Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga. You teach me which is the best for me. That is the one and only question asked by this particular first sloka to Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Tomorrow we shall see Krishna starts with his answer, that is second sloka. We shall see tomorrow that. Till then, ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम तत्सत्।